Alright, so fucking dying out here, man. It's hot as shit. But I got, whew, fuck, look how fucking, look at that shit. It's fucking nasty in there. There's like an eighth of an inch of fucking buildup of that shit in there. This is a pipe that I'm gonna have to replace because it's fucking seized up right here. So this is how it should look inside. Just a little bit of blackness, but not a bunch of buildup. But man, that's pretty bad. So yeah, that's the intake. Doesn't actually look too bad in there. It's not built up super bad. Biggest problem I got now, that's the EGR valve, trying to get that fucker off. I've been working with it for like a freaking almost an hour now. Trying to get this broke loose, and I got all the bolts out, but it's only moving a little bit, but it's not where it's connected to this pipe down here right there. It's fucking is the only connection left, but there's no clamp or nothing. It's just pushed on there. But it's not wanting to fucking move now. Now that I got the bolts out and shit, it's not wanting to fucking come off that damn pipe. So I've been fighting with that for a little while. Whew, it's fucking hot. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Pain in the dick. Trying to get that off, and then I gotta go to the other side and take that fuel injector doser and all that shit off. So, and it's gonna be fun cleaning all this shit. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna have to get in here with a nylon brush or something, and with some sea foam or something, and carbon choke cleaner, and scrape all that shit out and clean it out. Do these two also, and then oh, fucking A. Sweat my balls off, man. So, all right, back to work.